up, you people? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you all some new pink polishes that I got in from Madam Glam. It is October and it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and they sent me over some colors to showcase to you guys. And yeah, any purchase that you all make on their website, $5 will be donated to Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I definitely want to make sure I get this video out so that you guys, if you want to donate to the cause or help contribute to the cause, you can. And I do also have a discount code with them. I'm going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. But let's hop into these goodies, okay? So this is what they sent me. This here is what they sent me. So I got a rubber base, 2 gel polishes, and a no wipe top coat, which I really like their top coat a lot. And they also sent me over one of their nail files. You can never have too many nail files. So let's get into this set, okay? Alright, so this is my first rubber base that I have from Madam Glam. I actually didn't realize they had rubber base. I know they have Builder in a bottle, but this is cool to have a rubber base from them. Let's look at the consistency of this polish. Ooh, okay. A nice thick consistency. Very, very high viscosity. It smells really good too, by the way. And I like it. This is one of their ones with the newer brush, so this one here is rounded at the tip. So I'll be excited to use this. Very nice. We also have Love's Veil. Okay, this here is kind of like a pink that has like a purple undertone to it. That's really cute. Next we have Sweetheart. This here is a really beautiful pale pink color. Almost leans white, but very cute. And then obviously the no wipe top coat, which I have one that's already open, so I'm probably just going to use that instead of opening a new one. So I'm going to start with swatching the rubber base. I do want to see if it's going to turn yellow after I cure it. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. I mean, it applies really smooth. I would think that because it's so thick, it wouldn't glide on this easy, but it does. And it self-levels beautifully. I like that. So I'm going to cure. Love's Veil. Very pretty. Okay, so really quick, this here is that rubber base after it's been cured. I will say it does look like it's slightly cloudy. I will say that it's slightly cloudy. Like, it doesn't look like it's crystal clear. But you know, still be good enough if you wanted to do you know, give your natural nail a little bit more reinforcement before you go in with a gel polish. But I will say it's not like super crystal clear. Not sure if you guys can see it or not. Let's see. Yeah, not sure if you guys can see it or not, but it's not like super crystal clear, but it's still clear enough, you know. It's slightly cloudy. Alrighty, so these are the 3 colors here. They are.
Why you starting here?
Yeah, because I'm filming a video. Can you help me sit down and be quiet for a second? But can you sit right here for a second? And when I'm done, we can play together? Huh?
I'm actually gonna make slime.
Okay, we'll make slime a little bit later today.
But today.
Yeah, we'll do it today. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, that rubber base isn't quite as clear as I would like it to be. It has a slight yellow undertone to it, but again, it'll still be just fine for doing, you know, reinforcing your natural nail if you want to do a gel polish set.
Oh, what that was.
Yeah. Next one we have Love's Veil, which is this really beautiful pink color that has purple undertones to it. Then last but not least, we have Madam Glam Sweetheart, which is this really beautiful pale pink color. So I'm going to get into a set really quick. I have some long coffin nails sized out here, and I'm just going to do a really quick set using these colors. And again, this is going to be in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. When you're doing your press-on nails, the first thing you want to do is just file down the tip here that's at the edge. First thing I am going to do is go in with this rubber base coat just to give the press-ons a little bit of strength. I'll apply 1 coat to all the nails. Okay, so once that's been applied, you'll flip the nails for 10 seconds to allow the gel to self-level. Then you'll cure for 60.
Ooh. You're drying. What is this one?
It's the same thing. It's also a lamp.
Is it dryer?
Yeah, it's a nail dryer. It's kind of like the one you got.
Actually, they have two.
Yeah, you got two too, right?
And I feel like we're like the two ones.
Yeah, you got like a circular one and you got the one that's rectangular, right?
Wait, circle and rectangle?
Well, these two are different. Yours is circular and rectangular.
Wait, Mike's?
Yeah, the one that's in the room that you used to dry your nails with, remember? The one you were playing with yesterday?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it's similar to what these are.
That's a different one?
Yeah. Mine's use UV and LED lights to cure my polish, and yours just uses air.
Mommy, why does this turn off?
Oh, that means it's done.
Oh.
Okay, so this is what all the nails look like after the rubber base has been applied. Next, I'm gonna go in, like I said, I'm gonna use these two colors to do a design. Okay, I'm gonna do this color on the index, pinky, and thumb, and these two on the middle
Pinky and thumb?
fingers. Yes.
Oh.
My little one's here as well. She has joined the party.
Join the party?
So on this nail and on this nail, we're gonna do this color. Love's Veil, and also on the thumb. Flip for 10 seconds, cure for 60. I'm gonna do 2 coats and then apply. I'm gonna do 2 coats of this polish and be right back. Alrighty, so this is what the nails are looking like with 2 coats of polish. Next, I've decided to go in with some pink bling on both of the middle fingers. I did already map out my bling placement here, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna use the top coat from Madam Glam. I think it's thick enough to be able to hold the nails in place, or the gems in place. So I'm gonna go in with this middle finger here and just apply a top coat to the whole nail, like so.
Ooh.
And apply a generous layer just so that the gems can have something to like hold on to. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just pick up my gems and place them on the nail, like so. And once I have them where I want to be, I'm going to cure them. Now I'm going to go in with the ring finger and do the same thing. I'm going to go in with a layer of this top coat and apply it to all the nails, like so.
Why are sparklers in it? Like the spiders and the ghosts?
Oh yeah.
I saw it on your video.
You saw it on my video?
Yeah.
Very cool.
You didn't see it, Mommy.
Yeah, I saw it.
You did?
I made it.
You did? That was a long time ago.
It was a long time ago, yeah. Mommy used to do all type of cool design.
Wow, like mini nails polish, baby.
So this is what these two nails are looking like. I think this nail slid a little bit in the lamp. Well, that's unfortunate. But alrighty, that's what these are looking like. So I'm gonna move on to the next nail here. I think I just wanna do some slight patchwork on the other nails. So let's do that really quick. I'm gonna take this light pink color here. Just put some on my palette. And I have my dual-ended liner brush here. With this end, oops. With this end, I'm just gonna draw a couple of shapes on the nail and color it in. Just go like this. Oops. Alright, so go ahead and cure that. The cool thing about patchwork nails too is they don't have to be perfect. On this one, I'm gonna come over to the side. Go ahead and cure that. On this nail. Perfect, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure. So this was the first nail. So when you're doing patchwork nails, you'll wanna take a black liner here. So I got the Perfect Black from Madam Glam. I'm gonna just put one dot right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. After the nail has been cured, then you want to go in and just make a line and an X and a line and an X, and that'll have your, and that'll get you your patchwork nails. So I'll do a line here, a line here, and I'm gonna go in with the X right here, like so. And I'll do another line here and a line here. I'm noticing I have a stray hair on this brush. It's messing up my design a little bit. Let's see if I can get it off. I think I might have got it. And again, you'll just do a line, maybe do an X right here. Go ahead and cure that. And you'll repeat that on all the nails. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. Alrighty, so this is what the nails are looking like after they are done. I'm liking how this turned out. I will say though, I do wish that I had did like a pink glitter to do the patchwork nails to just kind of like tie in the cute dainty pink set. But yeah, I really like how this turned out overall. Another big shout out to Madam Glam for sending these products over for review. Again, this is part of their Think Pink Breast Cancer Awareness Month campaign. I do have a discount code with them. I am going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. Any purchases made during the month of October, any of their pink bundles, they will donate $5 to breast cancer awareness research. So if you all want to contribute to that cause, I definitely think it's a good one to contribute to. And yeah, y'all, I think the set turned out pretty cute, and I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.